So hello guys! For today's video ay pumunta tayo sa Enyo Laguna for Akad Arenas Boost Camp Esports Summer Camp. So ayun, tayo ngayon ay nasa Enyo Laguna Library at nakikinig sa discussion kung ano ba ang history ng esports. So like, ang dami nilang tinalakay na history and how the esports operate itself and their tournament bracket system and how you can implement the esports in the community and in your school. So this is the first day of this session, and we have 3 sessions overall for this today. So ayan, tapos ayun ang pagkatapos ng ating session. Ayun. Nakalabas ka na. Ganda pala ng Enyo Laguna. Like, ang lawak niya. Tapos ang daming